Samsung recently announced 108 megapixel and 64 megapixel phone camera sensors, but only the sensors themselves were released, rather than any information as to what plans the company had for them or where they might first appear. We will now have some of that information. However, after leakers Sudhanshu Ambore tweeted a table of camera specification for Samsung Galaxy A series of 2020. Welcome to Easy Access Tech. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. According to the table, the top of the range Samsung Galaxy A91 will feature a quad rear camera with the 108 megapixel camera sensor as the main sensor, coupled with a 16 megapixel wide sensor, 12 megapixel telephoto sensor offering 5x optical zoom and a TOF sensor for depth. The second in line Galaxy A81 meanwhile is shown the table with the 64 megapixel sensor as its main sensor, along with the same additional 3 lens as the A91 but with 2x or 5x optical for the telephoto lens. The Galaxy A71, A61 and A51 are all reported to have quad rear cameras too, while the more affordable device, the Galaxy A41, A31 and A21 are all listed with a triple rear camera. Samsung's current A80 and A70 are both pretty interesting devices, with both offering impressive design and specifications for their prices, so it's not too surprising to see the next year's range pushing boundaries again. Especially in terms of camera, the A80 has a sliding rotating camera after all. It is worth talking the table with a little pinch of salt for now, though, as a few other leaks including Eyes Universe has claimed the table is fake after speaking to his source. We will keep you updated with any more information on where those 108 megapixel and 64 megapixel sensor might first appear as well. We find out though.